So today we are discussing about inheritance. So we know that Java have OOPS concept, and inside OOPS there are four concepts will be there. One is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and also encapsulation. So today we are discussing first two of all four. So what is inheritance? Inheritance means it is when an object acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent object. Suppose there is a parent object and there is a child object. Inside the parent object there is some behavior, some properties are there is mentioned, but also we need to specify inside child class object same behaviors and same properties. So inheritance help us to inherit those properties from parent to child, and it is known as inheritance. It's used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Later we are learn what is polymorphism, but inside that, by creating inheritance concept, by using this concept we achieved runtime polymorphism. By creating this concept of inheritance, we can create multiple method overloading, method overriding concept. Like suppose one method is mentioned inside parent object and same method is mentioned inside child object. So whenever we require to specify child specific properties, we use overriding concept. Whenever child class constructor, child class reference variable will be created by using child class object. So when we specify the child class reference variable to refer that child class object, the child specific method only will be called, not parent object method. So what is polymorphism? Next, whenever suppose there is a task is performed in many different ways. Poly means many and morph means form. So many form means suppose one task is performed by many ways. Suppose a mathematical problem can be solved in either one way, two way, or three ways. It is like that. In Java we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. So method overloading means same method but different signature. Method overriding means same method, same signature, but different object, different class, like that. Suppose we using overriding concept, same method signature in parent class, same method signature in child class, and we creating an object. Suppose parent p equal to new child constructor. We are creating a child class object by referring parent class reference variable. We do that. So in that case, by calling p dot that method, what method will be called? Is it parent method or child method? So there is a property that runtime polymorphism. So what is runtime polymorphism? Whenever method resolution takes place by JVM, the runtime object, based on runtime object, the method will be called. Suppose runtime object here is child, parent p equal to new child constructor, runtime object is child. So inside child class, that method definition will be executed. Whenever we write parent p equal to new parent constructor, the parent class method will be executed. Whenever we writing child c equal to new child class constructor, child method will be print. But whenever we type this type of structure parent p equal to new child constructor, the parent class variable will be printed, will be executed the child class object method, because in runtime polymorphism there will be said that method resolution takes place based on runtime object.